Shalom, shalom, assalamu alaikum to the melanated family. This is the elder out of New Orleans coming to you with another informative video. All praises to our creators and our ancestors. Remember, this video is going to be about Mother Earth, volcanoes in Hawaii. Mother Earth is mad. Mother Earth will destroy. Fire and brimstone. The whole island is in big trouble because this planet is being run by a bunch of demons and they must go. They then went all over the planet and took over, even in Hawaii, which is not European people land. And a lot of people might be saying this, that, and the other. What is I'm talking about? I'm talking about the end times. Two volcanoes over there. There's one that got two volcanoes in Hawaii that is erupting and spreading hot lava, fire shooting up 200 feet in the air. Plus you got all that ash that's going to affect, and it's going to happen all over the planet when Mother Earth unleash her fury on these devils. A lot of people don't know what's going on. You wait till Mount Helen in the United States erupt. There where them devils is, it's going to erupt and get rid of them. Because Mother Earth is tired of these demons. That's right. This is biblical information. This is information that a lot of people don't know what's going on with this planet that has been invaded by aliens, by evil entities that has taken over our planet. And Mother Earth is rebelling. And we must rebel too. That's right, family. Peace and love. Love to hear your comments in the comment section about this situation that's going on in Hawaii. But the worst is yet to come. Peace and love, and I'm out.